para ito sa pamilya ko. Thank you sa walang tigil na suporta nila sa akin.
Kung umpisa cool na cool ka, sa bridge kailangan mahuhulog na yung sky. Yung emotion, yung passion, kailangan mo magpakawala sa section na yun.
Kasi internalize na lang ako. Feeling ko, rough siguro pakinggan kung ibibilit ko pa, hindi naman ako giritero.
Hindi siya komportable. Feeling mo, pag pinupush niya yung boss niya, it does not sound good. But opposite yung tingin ko eh.
Tiwala lang para maabot ko yung high notes. Sa performance ko, ipapakita ko ang boses ko.
Mama, this is the end. Hold your breath and count to 10. Feel the earth move, and then in my heart burst again. Skyfall is very sound, but 1,000 miles and poles apart. The world's are dark and days are long. You may have my number, you can take my name, but you'll never take my heart. Let the sky fall. You place it all together as skyfall. When you go, I go. What you see, I see. I know I'll never leave you. Have to see you of your loving arms. I'm keeping me from harm. Come put your hand in my hand, and we will stand. Let the sky fall. When it crumbles, you stand tall.
Thank you very much. And that was Paolo's version of Skyfall. Marami kang pinakilig ha, Paolo.